Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Margaret Joki Mogo from Embu County, Kenya. If you are new to my channel, welcome and welcome back again. Remember to subscribe so that you will be notified when we upload a new video to our channel. Thank you for your continued support.
Yeah,
This is an African village food, African village life, where an African village mom cooks the food direct from the kitchen. Remember, the sufuria are black in color. We use firewood. This is ugari, well-known food for Africans. Wow. After cooking ugari, we continue with the accompaniment. Boga, tunaita boga. We start by frying our onions until they are golden brown. We add onions and fry. Then we add tomatoes and carrots. Then we stir and cook for 15 minutes. Remember, we are cooking food for dinner. Then we add salt. We are cooking traditional food for dinner. So we cook until they are ready. Then we add dengu. Remember, we boiled the dengu earlier. Then we add some water for soup. Let me know in the comment section how do you cook this food in your country. Remember to comment, like, share, and subscribe to your friends. Wow, we are from Kenya, Africa. This is an African village girl. Wow, cooking direct from the village kitchen. Thank you for your continued support. We are now 4,400 subscribers, way to 10,000 subscribers. Kindly continue supporting my channel. The food is ready to be served. Continue supporting my channel by subscribing so that you will be notified when we hand a new video. Wow, let us serve food. Remember, an African mom serves the food when the plates are all in the table. Wow. Let me know in the comment section. Remember to comment. Remember to like. Remember to subscribe. Wow. Thank you for your continued support. The food is ready. Yummy and delicious. Wow. Then we add our dengu and soup. The food is ready for dinner. Welcome and enjoy. Wow. Wow. Thank you. Let us continue meet in the next video. Bye bye.